In this video, I will show you how to remove image background using Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. First, in the search bar at the top, just enter Paint. Now hit enter. Once the Paint application gets opened, just click on File at the top menu and then click on Open. Now just open the image from which you wish to remove the background. Let's select this image and then click on Open. Once the image is open, at the top in the image section, you will find an option Remove Background. Just click on it. And within seconds, this will remove the background from the image. And now you have image with the blank background. So to save the image, just click on File, go to Save As, and then you can save the image as PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF or any other format. So that is how you can remove image background using Microsoft Paint for completely free. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.